Today we will talk about the interface or structure of Adobe Photoshop 2020. But before to start the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video. When we open Adobe Photoshop, it is all the interface of Adobe Photoshop, and when we open Adobe Photoshop for the first time, it will be like this, or it will look like this. So here are some very impressive and important interfaces or structures of Adobe Photoshop. The first structure of Adobe Photoshop is this structure, which is called properties bar or standard bar. And second is this box, which is called tool box, and here are all the tools of Adobe Photoshop. And when we learn these tools of Adobe Photoshop, it means we have learned about 50 or 60% of Adobe Photoshop. Next, colors, swathes, gradients, and all of these are called panels, Adobe Photoshop panels. So some of the panels here are important, or all of them are important, but some of them are needed for motion graphics, some of them are used for like painting, some of them are used for graphic designing, some of them are used for photo editing. So now if we like normally work in Adobe Photoshop, so I'll close some of them. Like learn, I'll click on close, it will close only one panel. But if I want to close all the group of this panel, so I'll right click in close tab group, and same here, right click close tab group. So here is only layers panel that I want, same for this. And now if there is like something's about like everything's mixed and there is no place for editing a photo, so we'll go to window, we'll go to workspace, and I'll click on reset essentials. It will bring it back. And if you want to save a layout for yourself that you need like this layout, so go to window and click on workspace, and then click on new workspace, enter a name for it like my workspace, and I click on save. So now if we select any of the panels like 3D, so now I want my own workspace, so I'll click on my workspace, so it will be changed to my workspace. Now here is this black area is called the workspace. These are all the panels and tools are related to workspace, but this is the main workspace in which we will edit the photos. Like I'll double click for inserting a photo, and if there is any photo that you want to insert, just click on that like alphabet letters, and suppose this one, so the picture will be inserted, and we will use the tools in layers, panels, and more. So if you have any kind of question, please comment and I'll answer you.